Chris, I know you're very excited this morning. You said you wanted to come to Open Jesus Youth Sunday. Hello! Hey, Chris. Why are you crying? I told you should be neat and ready. You should have your hair tidy and everything. See, they're all looking at you. It's going live. Be very careful. Hey, Chris, be very disciplined. See, your lace is not tied up. See, from where you bought this? See, be careful. Yeah, come. Uncle, these children look very sad. They look very sad. No, they don't look very sad. They look very happy. See, so going on live. Be very careful. Okay, so why do you want to come here this morning? It's Youth Sunday. See, make your hair tidy. Make your hair. No! Chris, be very disciplined. Okay. So see, Salomana is here from Mumbai also. The whole team is here. So be very disciplined. Okay. These children look very sad. They look very happy. Can you smile? Can you all smile before Chris goes? Okay. Chris, I want you to be very disciplined. I want to tell a story. What story you want to tell? I want to tell a story of a lion. You want to tell a story of a lion? What's a lion story? There was once a lion. The lion was. Uncle, I forgot the story. Don't play with me. The lion was sitting in the jungle. The lion was very naughty. Okay, the lion was very naughty. Okay, so you came and you're telling a story. No, these children are very smiling. Okay, they are very smiling. Okay. There was once a snake. The snake was sitting in the jungle. Okay, the snake has no time, right? Uncle, I want to sing a song. You want to sing a song? What song you want to sing? Hey. See, you came all the way from here. Okay, see, Anisha is here. If you want to go to Africa next time, there are a lot of kids over there in Africa. If you want to go, you should be very disciplined and tell them what's the purpose you came here for. Jesus loves you. You think, what's written on your shirt? Yeah. God answers prayer. Do you think God answers prayer? Do you think we need to pray? Yes, you should pray. Okay, what do you think? Read your Bible, pray every day. That's the song? Uncle, I forgot. Come on. Okay, so do you think Jesus loves you? Do you think that we need to pray? The kids need to pray and everything? Yes, they need to pray. Okay. Uncle, I am going. Okay, you are going. No more time. Okay. What's the next thing that you want to tell to them? Uncle, I forgot the story. No. Okay. No. Okay, no more crying. Okay, now they're going to sing a song and all that, so be very disciplined. So say bye-bye to them, and so what's the thing that you want to say the last time? Jesus loves you so much. Okay, Jesus loves you so much. Okay, so bye-bye, take care. Say bye-bye to all of them until you meet them next time. I think in Africa you'll meet Anish Pastor will meet in Africa. Don't take me to Africa. Okay, Africa, they'll take you to Africa, no issue. Okay? So bye-bye, say bye-bye. Bye.